Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best lightest air conditioner you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many lightest air conditioner and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each lightest air conditioner so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a lightest air conditioner. When choosing the lightest model, weight is a major factor because it affects portability and ease of installation. Energy efficiency is another important aspect since a lighter air conditioner should still cool effectively while consuming less power. Cooling capacity must match your room size to ensure proper performance and comfort. Also, check the noise level because lighter units can sometimes produce more sound during operation. Build quality and design should not be ignored as durable materials ensure longer life even in compact models. Finally, look for features like remote control, smart connectivity, and easy maintenance options. Considering these factors helps you find a model that balances performance, convenience, and efficiency. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.